So you have the Google Pixel 9 and you want to do a screenshot. So on the side of the phone, we have the power button and the volume down button. What we need to do is we need to click and release these two buttons at the same time. So click release, and if done correctly, you'll see it will take a screenshot. One more time. So I'll do 3, 2, 1, click release, and that will take a screenshot. Now, sometimes you're unable to press the buttons. And so the second way to take a screenshot is if we swipe up and hold, this will bring us into multitasking. And you just want to look for the app preview of your app, and there should be a screenshot button. So we'll just tap on screenshot, and that takes a screenshot. So if you're going to use this, let's say I'm in an app, I want to take a screenshot, I'll just swipe up and hold, then release, and then tap the screenshot button, and then that will do a screenshot on Google Pixel 9.